Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. What it do, DG? I am Danette G. I make videos about SUV traveling, entrepreneurship, mental and overall health. If that's something that interests you, stay tuned. So there are many different ways to travel. Of course, I choose to use my SUV. I just use what I have. The reason for that, it's what is on hand for me. Trying to buy an RV and all that stuff, I really didn't want to wait to save up money to do all of that. I am just kind of really ready to go. Well, I'm already pretty much on the road. At the time, I was really ready to go. So I outfitted my truck with what I needed, and so that I can just go. Also, if it turns out that this is something that I feel like is not for me, I can just go back to regular life. I don't have to figure out how to get a car because I have an RV, or I'm in a big van and now I've got to figure out, what to do with it, or just be driving around a big van. I mean, I could use it for weekend trips or whatever like that, but an SUV is enough. Once I know that this is definitely the life for me that I want it to be, and I'm ready to leave the country, I think then, unless I figure out how to travel internationally just in my SUV, because it can be done. And it's really what I want to do. But I want to make sure that I'm safe when I'm doing it. I may get a van. I would love to get a Chevy Express and build it out and have all the comforts and stuff. But I'm not really banking on that right now. The income that I have coming in is to pay off all of my debts and then just save and travel. But that's besides the point. We can talk about that later on. If you'd like, comment below if you want to hear more about that. Today, we're going to talk about the different forms in which you can travel. So there is SUV, Zola. There is also a van, like I mentioned before, or a Class B. And with that, there are categories within that. There is minivan RV. There is SUV RV, and that's from a small SUV to a large SUV. You go down the YouTube rabbit hole, and honey, you can find all kinds of things. There's also bigger vans, cargo vans that you can build out yourself. But there's also Class B vans that are professionally built out so that you can also travel that way. And you're going to pay a grip for those, but they're really nice. Check out this Airstream that I toured a couple of weeks ago. Love it. All right, so pulling up on an Airstream interstate. Wonder, are they open? It's open. I think these are used. And this one says it's got 89,000 miles. Jump in here real quick. Oh shit. I don't know what year this is. And 4 seats. I think this is a different layout than I've seen. But you've got 2 passenger seats. Oh wow, I like this. And you've got plenty of overhead space up here. Little kitchen nook. All kinds of overhead space.
And then of course, you know, you've got this will come out, and that makes a full bed. A couple TV monitors back here. Some more storage. Bathroom. Oh yeah. I will say this. Watching RV tours and actually being in one is a totally different feel, and it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. This is crazy. Let's go outside and see if we can find a price. But I'm still not in the market. But if you are, I'm at Camping World, Spring, Texas. This is a 3500 Sprinter. There's no pricing on it. That is that.
This is the first time that I have ever been in an RV of any type. And if I tell you, I was pretty impressed at how big it actually was. Seeing it on TV, and like I mentioned in the video, seeing it on TV and seeing it in person is two completely different experiences. If you've never been in an RV of any type, you've got to go try it. So then there's also, that was a Class B RV. There's also a Class B Plus. I'll insert a picture here so that you can see what that looks like. There's also a Class C RV. I'll insert a picture here so that you can see what that looks like. There is also the Class A RV. I will also include that here.
So I just wanted to take a minute to check out this Integra. These are all used. We just talked to a gentleman, and he said they're getting in more used units right now than they are brand new. But these are really nice. Looked in a few. They've all been really clean. Kind of want to look in this Mercedes over here. We'll take a look into this one right here. We've got the stairs up that come out. So you've got easy entry in. And then when you walk in, you walk into the dining bed set. And this, of course, you know, changes to a bed. Got all this room. So we're going to go right to left. You've got all this room in the front. And then for the passenger, you're able to have a little workstation. Do all the navigation stuff. Wow. Your driver is focused. And you've got all this to look at in front of you. You've got, I think these are your systems. Well, that's a storage cabinet. And then, of course, for the front windshield at night, you can, I swear you can pull it down anyway for privacy. You've got a little storage cabinet there and there. And just above the entrance, oh shit, Got a cabinet that needs to be fixed. Got your bathroom here. Plenty of storage. Cabinets. Hi. Got storage for days in this thing. Huge bathroom with a little seat, which I love. So I can sit down and enjoy the shower. And this is the view from all the way in the back of the bathroom. Of course, it's closed up, so then as you're coming out of the bedroom, you have another guest bathroom. More storage. That's why I smell cologne in here. Somebody's Mustang. And even more storage. And so then you come into the living room, I guess, and you've got a fireplace. I like that backwash. Got your TV. You've got household refrigerator, Whirlpool. You fit all kinds of food in there. That's kind of storage. Food to go bad. I don't even cook that much. Got an oven. And you've got your stove down here. Microwave. Looks pretty clean. And it is a convection oven. So you can also cook in there. Okay, we're not going. You got more storage up here. Then you've got your sink. This big sink. Double-sided. And that way you can use one for cutting or whatever. You got more storage down here in your kitchen. Plenty of room for junk drawers and all that stuff. That's pretty nice though. Somebody's gonna have to fix a couple of things, but this is a nice unit.
Here, in a Class A and probably a school bus, the long school bus, would be around in the same category. If you wanted to get a school bus and build that up, that is also an option. School buses, shuttle buses, they are also options to live in, work in, travel in. They're also very good options. There's a whole rabbit hole for that too. There's a rabbit hole for everything on YouTube, y'all. But there's also travel trailers. I will insert a video here of a travel trailer that I recently saw. It was really nice. And it can accommodate 6 people, which I would never have 6 people in there. But if you needed to, it is an option for you.
Just rolled up into Camping World while I'm trying to get my steps in. Figured I would look at some campers. Not that I am in the market right now, but gotta always keep your options open. This is an east to west. That's the other side, your water connections, cable, hookups. Looks like an electric jet. I think whenever I am ready, I will definitely be doing an electric jet. So this one is a 20 KRD east to west. It's got a lion's head lifetime warranty. Go check it out. Okay. Walk in. Got what looks like, it's like a king, maybe, almost. That's pretty big. That's a lot of storage. I could definitely make that work. And you've got some drawer space, and you've got that on both sides. And you've got some cabinet space up there. All the way across. Got your little window. It's 9-peak shades. I'm not gonna mess with that. And it's a walk-around bed. I'm curious if there's storage under. Oh, there's a nice big storage space under on gas struts. You can put your TV up there. Got your fan for ventilation. Bathroom. Also dry bath. Good size shower. Cubbies. Let's see if there's a light. That's some good size cubbies that goes pretty far back. And that's all the way the length of my arm. Got some vanity storage and a plug in here. Come out to the kitchen. Good storage. And then I'm pretty sure this makes into a bed. And that's the shades down. And then you've got your nice back window so you can see what's going on. All the legs go here for the table. This is just a couch. Oh, and that is another bed. Let's see if I can get it to, whoop, there it goes. So you could fit 2, 3, 4, 6 in here to sleep. That's pretty good. And you've got your fridge. Freezer. I will try and find out the information on how much and some stats.
I hope that you enjoyed these video tours of different ways that you can travel. If you would like to see my SUV tour, I will link it in the description and also at the end of this video. Give it a click, and I will see you in the next video where we talk about how am I going to survive for the winter? Because that's a good damn question. Because besides some jackets that I have hanging here and a pair of jeans, I don't know if I'm even prepared. But we're going to talk about what my plans are. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you can be here next week when we talk about winter. Winter is coming. Peace.